Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. We're going to learn about accounting periods and fiscal year today. So the accounting period, also known as reporting periods, are periods of time for which a company or organization report financial performance by generating, for example, their income statement or balance sheet. Typically accounting periods refer to the company fiscal year, which can contain several accounting periods such as a month or quarter. So you go to Tell Me option and you select accounting periods and select accounting periods from there, and you can see the current physical accounting periods now. So it starts from January and January and January and January. So for many companies, the fiscal year does not align with the calendar year. For instance, when the fiscal year ends on June 30th rather than December 31st, you can change it according to that. For newly created companies, the fiscal year might even actually be longer than that, more than 12 months as well. So we're going to check how to learn how to start a new accounting period. So create here. So here are the details you need. And that was for filter, and you can put start as 2024, 1st of December, and you can put 12 of them, or you can put period length of 1 month. So let's say we can change it to 3 months, for example, and press OK. So you can divide fiscal year into different areas or sections. Let's say one in January, we're gonna do one in April, and then the next one in October, for example, and then the next one in June, and next one in December, and next one next December as well. So that's like 2 to 3 years together. If you wanna change it, if you wanna just be specific, you can remove this as well on checking. So the next one we will check 1 quarter. Sorry, I put the wrong one before. So it can be 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 year. So let's put 1 quarter. And you can manually select it from here if you want to. The accounting periods opening and closing time as well. If you want to close the year, you can click to close here, and it's going to say the function closes the fiscal year from 21 to 23. Once the fiscal year is closed, it's cannot be open again, and the period in the fiscal year cannot be changed. And if you accept that, that will close the year. But that doesn't mean that you cannot put the entries there. Although a fiscal year is closed, you can still post general ledger entries to it. When you do that, entries are marked as posted to a closed fiscal year, and the prior year entry checkbox is selected. By default, the checkbox is not displayed on the page, but you can add it. So this was all about accounting periods. Thanks for watching.